Okay, this is Desmos College Board version. It's not much different than the actual Desmos calculator. So let's do a few questions here. The first one is this. It says this is an equation 4x plus 6 is equal to 18. Which equation has the same solution as the given equation? All right, one way is just solve it and see which one is equivalent to that. But of course, we are here for using the Desmos. So we'll use this 4x plus 6 is equal to 18 in the Desmos. Just plug it in here. 4x plus 6 is equal to 18. 4x plus 6 is equal to 18. All right, so here we got the equation, okay, the line. So now we will keep checking the other four options, which one is like coincides with this, overlap on this line. All right, others will not overlap on this, the same line will overlap. So 4x is equal to 108. 4x is equal to 108. All right, so that is not the same, okay. So where is it? It's here. All right, so it's a different line. So you can zoom in and zoom out to see the lines, okay. Let's check the other line. 4x is equal to 24. 4x is equal to 24. All right, this is again a different line. We need a line that will be on the red one. It will just hide this red one. All right, so let's check the third one. 4x is equal to 12. 4x is equal to 12. 4x is equal to 12. That's it. So see, the red line is hidden now. If we hide it, see, the red line appears. If we hide the red line, the purple one appears. All right, so both have the same line. So this 4x plus 12 is our answer. If you want to check the last one, fine. That is 4x is equal to 3. 4x is equal to 3. Of course, it will be a different line. 4x is equal to 3. Yes, it's a different line with the black, okay, color. So you see the purple and red is the same line. So this is one way of doing it. It's easy without Desmos, but of course we are dealing with the Desmos and how to use the Desmos for doing these type of questions. So 4x is equal to 12 and 4x plus 6 is equal to 18 are the same lines.